Men are fixers. Let's not turn them into women. The idea that men are fixers is a stereotype and can be overly simplistic. While some individuals, regardless of gender, may have a tendency to want to solve problems and take action when faced with challenges, it's important to recognize that people are diverse and have a wide range of personalities, characteristics, and coping mechanisms. Men, like women, are not a monolithic group. They have their own unique qualities and ways of dealing with issues. It's essential to avoid reinforcing gender stereotypes that limit individuals and perpetuate rigid expectations about how people should behave based on their gender. These stereotypes can be harmful and contribute to inequality and misunderstandings between individuals. Encouraging open and honest communication, empathy, and understanding in relationships, regardless of gender, is a more constructive approach. Furthermore, the concept of fixing can vary from one situation to another. Sometimes, solving a problem or taking action is appropriate and necessary, while in other cases, active listening, emotional support, and understanding may be more important. Effective problem solving and emotional support are skills that can be developed by anyone, regardless of their gender, and they are valuable in building healthy, balanced relationships.